giant. That's a pig, dude.
What is crack-lacking, guys? Welcome back. Whoa. That's intense. What is crack-lacking, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Martial Outdoors. Today, just got off of work. Got like 45 minutes to burn between lunch break and going to the next job. So I'm actually gonna stop down at this local little creek thing, and I'm really hoping that this thing is just loaded, like loaded with bass. I actually drove by like 3 days ago and seen a dozen just standing outside the road. So I'm not looking to catch big fish. I'm going for a numbers game. I'm hoping to go down there and just slap about 30 of them in the face real quick. And got a chatterbait rigged up on a baitcaster and a weightless Senko on the other one because it is really shallow, really dirty in here. And I threw my back out last night or something. So I'm hoping to go stretch that out on some largemouth bass. Haven't caught any yet this season, so let's get down there, see if we can catch 100 of these things. You guys stay tuned.
Okay, might be a little windy out here, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is gonna be stupid. Like, it's gonna be hammer down. I just don't know what to throw first. They can't handle a weightless Senko. Just watch and learn. Just what? This is quite embarrassing. Broke me off instantly. Got him. Definitely not the one I just missed though. Oh, wrong way, Holmes. Wrong way, Holmes. Dude, I'm sure there's so many of them in this tube. It's probably ridiculous. So we should probably just stand right here. Send it in there. Got him. Better. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, that's not bad. That's not bad. For a little creek like this. Freaking take it, dude. See you later, my dude. Yeah. Keep them coming. We're gonna go check the other side real quick with the Senko. And then we're going back to the chatterbait. Oh, she's windy on this side though. Windy, schwindy. Just huck her out there. Oh, that was bad. Good one. On a bed too. Oh yes, dude. On a bed. First bed fish of the season. Not a bad one. We'll take it. Guessing it's a male up there protecting, cleaning beds. See you later, my dude. It is terribly windy on this side, so you guys probably ain't gonna be able to hear anything. Crushing it. Oh, took my Senko, dude. Come on, man. Oh, we're gonna get fishy. Oh, just whizzing. Tone her down. got so much pollen on the line, dude. I can't even cast anymore. And they're just biting it while I'm trying to get it off. Oh, settle down, bro. Got you right in the lower left there, bud. Oh, we're gonna get fishy. The 45-minute bite window is gonna be hot. We're gonna crush them. If I could cast. It's like all the farther I can cast. Another one. Jeez. It's gonna be silly. What'd you do with my Senko, bro? Ooh, Bud's been getting it a couple times. Sorry, dude. Go for another one. I can't cast any farther, dude. The pollen has got me jammed up, like you wouldn't believe. Instant in the bath. Good one. Oh. Ooh. Best one yet. There we go. They are loaded, but I think we're gonna go back to the other side because the wind is crazy over here. Never losing that guy. Oh, bud. Let's get you back. There you go. Okay, we're going back to the other side. It's too windy over here. Big. Yeah, son. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's been actually pretty tough. They don't want the chatterbait, and I can barely cast this thing around because I got so much freaking pollen on the line. But there we go. There we go. That's definitely the best one yet. They're getting bigger, so that's all that matters. Big. Oh yeah, there we go. Horse, dude. Yes. There we freaking go. Decided to stop back over here real quick. Bam! On the Senko. It's a good one for a little tiny creek like this. Catch you back, my dude. Sick. Took my Senko, dude. Come on. Well, I guess that's it for the Senkos. That was my last one. That was a whole pack. Whole pack of Senkos down. Done. It's all instant. I'm talking instant slammed with the chatterbait, dude. That is pretty instant. Oh my gosh, I just got hammered again. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh. Giant on the chatterbait. And I mean a giant. Oh my gosh. Last cast of the day. Come on, get in. Oh my. Oh jeez. Oh, this is a horse. That's a pig, dude. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Get the size of the bucket mouth on that girl. Blind in one eye too, huh, bud? That is what I'm talking about. Good freaking chatterbait fish right there. Literally last cast and biggest one of the day. Yeah. Mondo on the chatterbait. And I think we're gonna call it a wrap here, upside down. I'm sure you guys don't want to sit here and watch me catch another 10 of these small bass. So we're gonna call it a wrap here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode of Marshall Outdoors. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We will see you next time.